Hey loves, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a 3D face mask. I'll be showing you how to create your own pattern and also how to cut and sew. This video promises to be very detailed, and I think you should watch it to the end. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified once a new video goes up. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Without wasting much of our time, I'm going to take you guys straight to the cutting table shortly after the break. So as you guys can see, our lines are already marked. This is 10-inch wide and the height is 7.5 inches. So I'm going to mark 2 inches on all the sides. Once that is done, I'm going to use my ruler and connect all the points that I marked. After that, I'm going to take my scissors and cut out our pattern. So guys, this is what we have. I can actually use our pattern this way and cut out our fabric, but I'm going to be creating a little curve around the nose area. Okay, I want it to actually look this way. This is totally optional, so there's no fast or hard rule on how to create this. I'm going to be using my armhole curve to create that little curve that I want to have around the nose area. So I'm going to draw a curve with a pencil or a pen marker, whichever one you have. Once that is done, I'll take my scissors and cut this out. So I'll place the pattern paper on the fabric that I'll be using for this project, and I'll quickly use some pins to hold it in place. Once that is done, I'll cut with my scissors. So I'm going to cut the second one just where I cut the first one. I'm supposed to have like 2 patterns or 2 pieces. So guys, I have 2 of this. So this is the right side and this is the right side of this other one. I'm going to place the right side against the right side. So I'll go over to the machine and sew on a 1/4 inch mark. I'm going to sew along this line that you can see. Make sure you maintain the curves you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to sew from this point and stop here, and I'm going to stop here. So guys, I've nicely sewn this on my machine, and this is what we have. You're going to turn inside out just like what I'm going to do right now. I'm turning inside out. I'm trying to bring out the right side and then let the wrong side go inside. Do that and make sure you bring out all the edges. You can also use your needle or a pin to help you bring out the edges. Now that I have this, I'm going to give this a nice and hard press. I'm going to press with a very hot iron. So guys, this is what you have. I hope you can see all the lines and all the edges are popping out. So I'm going to fold this into, the first part should give you like 2 inches. and then once I'm done folding the first part, I'll also fold the second part and also measure. You should have like 2 inches gap from the point you folded to the edge. And I also go and give this a nice press because I need to hold it in place. So guys, this has been pressed. If you open this up, you're going to have something like this, and I'll close it back and show you the next step. I'll go over to the machine and run a 1/4 inch stitch on this side. Okay guys, I've sewn this other part. Okay, this part where there is a little bit curve is where I want to be on the nose. Okay, so I also want to put a wire there. Okay, this is actually optional. If you want, you can just sew yours without adding a wire, but I want to put a wire here. So in order to put a wire, I wouldn't sew this part first. I'll put the wire before I sew this other part. This wire is about 4.5 inch long, so I'm going to slide this wire through this opening here. Once the wire has been fixed, I will push it up against the edge break and I'll sew. Make sure you sew close to the wire but not on the wire. So after that, you can sew on this line. Remember I said you should sew on a 1/4 inch mark. So guys, this is what we have. It has neatly been sewn. So I'm also going to fold this in this manner and hold it down with a pin. So I'm going to fold this on a 1/2 inch mark, and I'm going to do that twice. Okay, and I'll also do the same thing on the other side, and I'll go over to the machine and sew. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've sewn these two sides. So this is what the back looks like, and this is what the front looks like. So the next step will be to fix the elastic. So what we have here is a round elastic, and I'm going to use a safety pin to help me pass it through the hole. I'll also do the same thing on the other side. This elastic is about 11 inch long. So for the elastic, you can either tie this twice and take the excess in, or you use a needle and thread to hold it. Then I'll cross this over this way, and I'll use a needle and a thread to hold it down. You have to be careful doing this. This is not like your flat elastic, so this one is a little bit more difficult. I'm just going to take it one step at a time until I'm sure it is firm. So guys, this is what we have. I'm gently going to take in that point where we joined our elastic, and that will be all. So guys, this is all about it. This is our 3D face mask. So just take a look at the back, and then this is what the front looks like. To wear it, all you need to do is just to open it up this way. This place you can see here is one that will cover your face this way, okay, and then the other one at the top will cover your nose area, and then this one will cover your jaw area, so your face is well covered with this 3D face mask. So guys, with this wire you can actually adjust this to fit your nose. And guys, this is all about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed already. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified once a new video goes up. Until next time guys, have a good morning, afternoon and evening wherever you are. Bye.